Good afternoon, my lovelies. Sorry, I forgot to put the I pressed record, pressed the live button, and then realised that actually I hadn't even put the phone in the holder. So that was helpful, wasn't it? So let's just get this somewhere near. There we go. Right, so let's get you up on my laptop as well. Organised today. Makes a nice change. So I've had my delivery and I have some new bits to me, which is so much fun, and I have got some stationery bits like some cardstock and things, so I won't show you those because you know those. And I have 2 more colours of blending pans, not that I've got anywhere to put them in the storage thing because it's full. So I'm going to need to have a look at getting some more of that. So I've got Granny Apple Green and Night of Navy. I should have got a yellow, but I forgot. A refill for my stamp and seal because I'm determined to get the hang of using it. Because, you know, all that kind of thing. So I've basically just got some cardstock. Then I have out of the new mini catalogue. So actually, I have mini catalogues. I have a set of those, and I have the little sale-a-bration. Hi, Mindy. I have little sale-a-bration brochures. So if anybody in the UK, Germany, France, the Netherlands, that area, if you would like a catalogue, just let me know. I can send you one of those. They are in English, so yeah. Right, so the first thing I got was some cotton ribbon combo pack. Because, I mean, who doesn't like getting 2 for the price of 1? So, let's have a look. Right, I'm not very good at opening these, so I have to say. So, I'm going to try and do what Esther said. Because Esther at Stampin' Star Creations did this. And then I was like, oh, yeah. So, what you do is you pinch the ribbon together and then the plastic sort of bunches up a little bit. So, you get hold of the plastic and not the ribbon. Oh, and I'm static today. So these are like just under 1/2 centimetre. They're only a few mil wide, but they feel like canvasy cotton. So we've got, does it tell you what colours they are? No. I would say that was Misty Moonlight, and this one looks like maybe Petal Pink. So, and we'll have to find out in the brochure, so I'll have a look in a minute. So, pinch them together. And then sneaky the scissors in. Look at that, like I normally do. Okay, and then there's this one as well. So, these are going to make cute little tiny bows. I really like little tiny things. So, little tiny bows will be totally awesome. So, I'm going to try and keep it tidy. So I'm going to put them back in there. Oh, hello. Lots of people. Hang on a second. No, not lots of people. Lots of chatting. Okay. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Esther. Can't wait till later. Hi, Mum. Okay. So, I also bought the iridescent rhinestones, basic jewels. Oh, I mean, I don't know if you can see. Oh, look at that. You can see the sparkle on them. They are so beautiful. They are going to last me, about 5 minutes. So, I have the Amazing Thanks dies. I didn't get the stamp set because... Actually, I don't think there's a stamp set to go with this one, is there? Not actually entirely sure. But this is totally... Basically, what generally I do is I don't order as soon as launch happens. I wait and I see what everybody else is ordering. Generally, I tend to go for things not everybody orders. But this, I can't help it. I love big sentiments, like the dies of sentiments. And it's got the thanks and amazing, you are, you know, and you can mix it up. And I have also seen somebody cut off the S on thanks and put the U, so thank you. So... yeah, so we'll be having a lovely play with that. It's exciting. Love new things. There we go, Mum. Flowing flowers. And it's on the rubber. Ooh. Now I like that sentiment. Let's have a look at what it looks like. Just a second. I like the font on the happy birthday. Like sometimes you look at them in the catalogue and you don't really notice. But yeah. Sending a card instead of a text. Oh, I like that too. Yes. I can see lots of fun with this. And flowers, you know. Bragworthy. I love this. And I like, this was the one that caught me. Your friendship is as bragworthy as a dress with pockets. So true. I mean, when you're buying a dress, you just need it to have pockets. Basically. Right, sorry. And I always think they should make pockets in wedding dresses. But there you go, you know. Oh, you've ordered the rhinestones, Mindy? Yeah, they're very beautiful. Even better in person. I have seen how sparkly they are on somebody's video. Can't think who. This one minute you're young and cool, and the next you're getting excited over new towels. Happy birthday. Thanks for being the person I overthink things with. I know exactly what friend I could send that to. I'm here for you. Seriously, try to get rid of me. Just try. And then there's like a 5 stars. Would recommend you as a friend. I would be tempted to emboss that and do them as little gold stars or yellow stars. That would look cool. Look at you doing grown-up things and stuff. So that's a very me stamp set, that one. Oh yeah. Ranunculus Romance. I am so excited. I have mixed media. I have ideas for this were just flowing when I saw it. And I mean, you've got so many different elements to this. Yeah, got lots of ideas for that. And then it comes with dies as well. Oh, there you go, Ellie. Nice to see you. Long time no speak, Ellie. Ranunculus dies. Look at that. So this is gorgeous. So it cuts out the roses. Would you say they're roses? Someone tell me, because my mum's a florist. Mum, what is it? Is that the name of the flower? Ranunculus? Maybe that's what it is. Okay. I'm a bit hyper today. I apologise. I don't know why, because I'm exhausted. But there we go. So yeah, so this is just, and I like this. Thank you for sharing your heart. So it's just, yeah, because I don't have, what's it called? Very Versailles. I borrow it off my mum, but I haven't actually, I don't own it myself. So it cuts out both florals, and then you've got this little rectangle here, which I assume cuts out the either this or the hello. That's quite cool. But you've got a couple of like little swirl and a bit of greenery as well with little flowers and a nice leaf edge and a flower. Now the flower, ooh, oh, we might have to just cut this. Might have to try it because I need to know what it does. I think it embosses. I'm not sure if it does it cut it out. Hang on, guys. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. If I can find a piece of cardstock, that is. Do we have? Oh, yes. Just look at that. 2 seconds while I... Hang on. I've got stuff everywhere here. Gently put that. Ooh. No, that's running. See, Esther, I'm completely clueless. So, you know, they could have thought of a fancy name for the stamp set. But obviously, if I'd actually thought about it and used my head, I'd have known that would have been the flower. So, let's see how it cuts out without the edge. And then we'll try it with the edge. Because I am excited because you know me, I love a good, oh my goodness, I love a good die. Give it a flick. Look how clean that's cut out. Do we need something on the back? Hang on a second. Wait a minute. Look at that. Oh, imagine that with some pretty vellum, coloured vellum, alcohol inked vellum, something on the back, or some rainbow paper, because you know me and my rainbows. There's that, and then I suppose that then would cut that out. Wow. Yep, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm glad I bought it now. And, you know, I'm happy to share. So that's that. And then, obviously, let me just, guys, I'm terrible for losing things. So I am just going to put that back on there. Because, you know, I will lose it. So pop that over there. But I just, oh, I might even have to go live later, maybe. What day is it today? Monday. Oh no, can't go live. Got a very important meeting later. If I can squeeze a live in, I will try and do a live, because I'm going to try and, if I feel well, do a video. Doesn't matter what time of day it is, just go live and do a video, because I can't keep to, like, yeah, I'll get my words out in a minute, I promise. I can't commit all the time to doing more than one video a week due to illness and other rubbish. But if I just go live when I feel well, then that will be okay, won't it? So I think I've shown you these before, but this is my second pack because, I mean, I've nearly run out of some of them already because I've used it for everything. But I mean, it's just so gorgeous. I absolutely adore it. And I love there's such a wide variation of prints and patterns and colours. And they all go together. So if you're making a scrappy card with the bits you cut off, it doesn't matter which bits you put with what, because they all go together. Oh, stenciling. Oh, yes. Oh, Esther, that's a good idea. There you go. See, Mum, you know, so I don't have to. So I kept looking at this, and then Esther did a video, or did a card with this car here, and swapped that for something else. And I was like, oh, that's so cute. And then I've seen, I think it's Janice do something with these, and I'm like, oh, that's it. You've sold me. And I'm not, yeah, I wasn't, I've got the otters and that I really, 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 really wanted. And then there's this, because I don't have very many flowers, stamps, and this has even got a little bit of dottage. And I like it's got extra pieces so that you can stamp your bird and then add a bit more onto it if you wanted to. And it's a photopolymer one, so I shall be sticking those on there later and saving the acetate part. Right, let me have a look. I haven't even opened this yet because it literally, I dropped Aaliyah at school and then I've come home and I had to wait for the delivery driver to get out of my parking space so that I could actually park. So hubby had to take delivery of my parcel so that I could not have to park miles away. Okay, see, I like this. This gives me an idea of how to stamp some of my other images. And also you could colour this in a bit, couldn't you? Yeah, so that's the one side. Oh, that's nice. I like the background colour. So then we've got this one. Oh, so many birdies. Love the birdies. Ooh, is that Granny Apple Green? Oh, that's so vibrant. I'd like wallpaper like that. Ooh. Yeah, see, colouring on that as well, I can see. Oh, and a bit of, they're like little buds or berries, whichever you want to call them, really. On pale papaya. And then there's some more flowers on pale papaya. What's on the other side? Bit of rainbow dottage. on that one. A bit more granny apple. Oh, that's quite nice. That'd be nice from, I know it's got pink in it, but that'd be nice for a masculine card. Although masculine cards, they generally end up with an animal on it or something if I make it. I like the black and the white on a different colour. That's quite nice. Oh, nice background. That's a nice one. Fresh freesia. So these, as I haven't even mentioned it, these two come together for a £90 order, and then these ones are free with a £45 order. So that is everything that I received today, and I am definitely going to have a play with some of these, like now. So yeah, so ranunculus is going to be a big favourite for me, I think, and I do pray they carry it over. And what's that say there? Letting to its ring for Charlotte. Does that say Charlotte? Don't know, can't see. It's very doctorish writing, so I don't know if anyone can read that. And I have got the right glasses on as well. Yeah, I have. There we go. So I would like to do a video. Oh, I did get a re-inker for my Memento ink as well, because that's starting to fade a little bit. Yes, Ellie, I sell my worldly belongings. So, and my Christmas pennies, and I put it all together. So yes, it was quite nice order. It was. And my mummy ordered some stuff as well, so it's fine. Hi Janet. So there we go, guys. So if anybody would like a catalogue, or if there's anything you'd like to see me do, then just let me know and I can have a go. I do know that Louise is creating a card at the moment that she's trying to work it out. So I said, you work it out and then I can demo it for you and I'll give you the credit for designing it. Because, yeah, I can't work out with, because it's something you use with dies and she's trying to do it without the dies. So we shall see. We shall see. So I now need more blends. Yes, Mum, you do. I love them. And now I've just got the hang of how to use them properly. I just use them all the time. Okay, right. Thank you so much for watching. And it's only a short video just to show you my little unboxing. And then I will be back with you possibly later, just for a bit of a play with something. Not sure which yet. But yeah, so I'll be back later. Thank you so much. Goodbye.